Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching us how I design this layer. So without wasting our time, let's get started. But let me just show the files we are going to be using. These 1, these 2, these 3, 4, then 5. Yeah, these are files we are going to be using. So I'll be dropping all the files I'll be dropping them for us, so that I'll drop the link to the files so that I can download them for free. So without wasting our time, I'm going to be using both CorelDraw and Photoshop for this tutorial. So let's get started. This is the initial one I designed. You can see it. Wow, I'm going to be showing us how to do it afresh. So this is the icon I'm going to be using. So here is the write-up. Yeah, this is the write-up. So I'll just copy this theme. Let's just work with the theme first. Then I'll come back here and just paste it. It's okay. Now I'll bring the text apart, Ctrl K. So change the font size, style, change the font. So this, yes, I can just increase it. So I'll separate them so that we can see them very well. So before that, let's just trace this. So I've been using my pen tool. So just watch out, I'll do it as fast as possible. Just click on the point, it's okay. Then I'll come to this place, it's here, go to this place, and join it here. That's all we are done for. We did this thing. But just watch out how we're going to curve it. So I'll just press Ctrl A to select it. Then I'll convert to curve. So when I convert to curve, I can just curve everything as simple as that. So like this. That's one of the simple way I use my own pen tool. You can use it anyhow you want. For me, I feel this part this way is one of the easiest ways. So I just drag it. Can just be patient. It's something you can just try and learn, but just try and work on it. So yeah, so I just drag this down like graffiti. So the next one is here, so I'll just double click it to make another anchor point. I'll go to this up, just drag it out like this, so we can see it's fits here already. So I'll come to this page too, just drag it like this. So that's as simple as that. So I'll come to this second one, Ctrl A, convert to curve, and then I just work on this place. So I drag, apply this. So this is a symbol of fire. So like this place now, I just double click. So like so, drag it down. Then yeah, like so. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to double click this place. I'll drag this place to the middle, like so, and I'll bring this place down like this. So we understand. Then this place, just bring it like this. So yeah, that's all we need for this tutorial. So I'll delete this place. So I can just work on this, change the color to 100% black. Then the spacing between is too much, so I just reduce the spacing. Then I'll drop this 2. I'll press Ctrl G, which is group. I'll convert it to black, remove the outline. So sorry about that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'll convert this to curve. How do I convert to curve? Ctrl Q. It's already on curve, so I'll just select this. I'll delete. So this one now will be our main file, which is the eye. Can we see? Yes, I think it's fitting, or maybe I should just reduce it a little bit. Nice. Yeah, so I'll come to this page, increase our fire. The first letter should start with capital letter. So I press Ctrl I. So that's it. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please you can just pause this video and do that now. So I'll change this to black. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just create a box here where I'll put our 1B. Ctrl Q to set and convert to curve. Take it all. Take this one to, yeah. Just convert to curve. So we just shift it down, then change to black, remove the outline, so like this. Then this where this one's supposed to come in, page up, shift page up to shift to take it up. This is where this one's supposed to come in. So this is how it looks like this. But this day I will need to delete it because of the mockup we are going to be using. So I'll increase it like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to export, Ctrl E. You convert it to PNG, change the save type to PNG. So I'll save it. This is where the folder is. So I'll just press export it. Okay. So we are done with our CorelDraw. Then we'll go to our Photoshop, we'll go to File, New. Then we'll just go to our Paint and pick A5. It's okay. So that's it. Pick A5, it's okay. So I'll reduce so that we can see. The next thing we are going to do is to go to our background. Where the background? This one. Yeah. So I'll drag it to this place or close it. So our main focus in this background is this light here. So this light here, and then this light here is our main focus. This light. So I'll hit OK. I'll go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. It's OK. You still go to Filter, Camera. I want to boost the colors. Let me boost the color to be more darker. Remember, I don't want that. So I just increase the contrast a little bit. Reduce the black. Yes, I think I'm okay with this. It's okay. So that's it. That's it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I think this one. Let me close this one. I've already used this one. Next thing I'm going to do is this background here. I downloaded this background on Pinterest. I don't know who the owner, but shout out to the owner. It was on Pinterest. I downloaded it from. I love it. So that's how I downloaded it. So there's no need for me to stress myself creating a new background for this project. So I just try and fit in this place. I'll reduce them. Yeah, like this. Take it up a little bit. It's okay. I'll change the blend mode, overlay or soft light. Anyone you feel it's work best for you. This soft light is the best for now. Take it up. Shift the background up a little bit. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm zooming in. I'm zooming in. Let's start from the name of the church. So I already type it out. Control C. I'm sorry, I always press my key twice just to make sure I copy the right thing. So I just break it down from here. It's okay. Control A, then convert and align and central alignment. Then I'll use cap lock for everything. This is the normal. This is the font I use for the previous design I make, but I think I'm going to be changing it. So I love Moostrat. Is it Moostrat? If you can pronounce it, please drop in the comment section. Okay, so I love this font very. I fall in love with the font. It's very neat. So I'll just reduce the spacing. It's too much. Yeah, this one is okay. So I can just increase it. Change the color to white. Change the color to white. You can see how it's going. Change the color to white. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll come to this place. This I already removed the background, so I just drag it to this place, increase it like so. Yeah, so I'm still telling us, please, if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to do that now. Yeah, now. So to boost this color, I'll go to my filter, camera raw. I love camera raw. Wow. Shout out to Adobe for bringing camera raw. It saves lives. So increase the contrast a little bit. Then the vibrance, increase it too. And saturation, it's okay. So you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll add shadow to it to make it look more real. So I've added shadow. So let me give it a little distance. The size, yeah, let it be more larger. Then I'll reduce the opacity. It's okay. You can see before, after. You can see. So then the next thing, look at these lights around this place. I'm not liking how it is, so I just want it to be boosted. I want to boost it a little bit. So how do I do that? I'll create a new layer. Press B on my keyboard for brush. So I'll reduce them. I'll reduce the brush. So I'll just select yellow or darker color, dark yellow. So I'll just be pointing all those lights one. You just want to add some effects to it. So let me just rush and do that as fast as possible. Just make sure you get it in light. I just want to boost the lights, though it's not a must, but I advise you do it, that your work can look more perfect and beautiful. Oh, so we are almost done. We are done. So I'll come to this place, down to screen. Use the blending option. Look, so let's see how it's before. Look at before. That now we can see there is this effects that it adds. So this one, these two, I'm going to press Ctrl G to group them. I'll change it to background. So I'll zoom out. Then I'll come to my word. I'll copy this prayer conference, Ctrl C, go to window, Ctrl E, I'll paste it. It's okay, so you take it up here. So I'll break this text apart into two. So I need increase. The spacing in between is too much, so let me reduce the spacing to -50. So I'll change the font. Let me try Google. Yeah, Google is better. So I'll use -25. So the spacing is, yeah, and it's too big, so I'll still reduce it again. So you can see, so I'll change the color to light, then add small shadow and little shadow to the text to make it real, so you can see. So I feel it's too big. Let me reduce the opacity a little bit. The distance is too much. The size is, it's okay. You can see how it is. Look at how it's going. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll go to present. I'll copy this present. Ctrl C. Go back to my this thing. I'll paste present. I'll use the same font with this Giant Christian. So that's it. I'm still telling you again, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please, you can just do as well to like, subscribe, please. I'm targeting by the end of February, which is my birthday. I want this channel to reach 10K. Yeah, 10K subscribers. I know we can do that. I trust my guys. So we can just, please, let's push it out. Let's push the video out. So we are done with this. So the next thing we are going to do is the theme, the one we did on CorelDraw. So here is the effect. So just I'll be dropping it. Just double click it. It will automatically bring this thing out. So we'll now go locate where our file is, which is this one. Drag it here. Please note this. If you did not use the same color with this former hash, this former Bible study, this hash color, it will not come out fine. So you make sure you change the color. How do I do that? I'll go to my blending option, then color overlay, then select it. Okay, then I'll hide this on other one. So I'll hit enter, then I'll press Ctrl S to save. Immediately I save, you see it automatically change. So note, I'll remove the background, then I'll now convert it to Ctrl Shift X, or convert it to PNG the way I did the former one. You can just drag this thing inside your design and continue, but because of some people that don't have enough system, like if you know your system is kind of slow, it's better you just convert it to PNG, then you close the file, you close it, immediately close it, and so you come to this place, this is where it is. Just drag it back to your Photoshop. Your system will not be slow. There are some mockup text effect mockup that is very, very large. It can even make your hard drive to crash. So just be careful. So I know most people don't know about this though. So that's why I'm telling my fans now. So that's it. Oh, I even forgot to do something at first, but no problem. With today, it's okay. Still use the same font. There was this my previous video which I dropped last week. I was telling you don't use more than 3 fonts. Don't use more than 3 fonts in any of your video, any of your design. Sorry, don't use more than 3 fonts. If at most 3 fonts. I know some clients will say change this font, tell the client you can just advise the client, sure. Because I've met with some clients. But sure, soon I'll be dropping, maybe this week I'll be dropping a video on how to get a client as a graphic designer. If you want that video, you can just comment I want. If you want the video, just comment I want. I'll be dropping the video. If I can see how many comments, I'll drop the video on how to get clients. I mean big clients. So don't waste our time. Let's continue. This, I'll select this, press Ctrl G, change it to tag. Just want to make sure my workflow is neat. So yeah, shift it up. I can reduce it, it's too big. So I'll drag this to this place. Then I'll just edit it. I'll say team. So I'll change it to white. Change it to white. Sorry about that. Change it to white. So now I can still try and work on it, add shadow to it. Add shadow here. Think the shadow is okay, add shadow to it. So that's it. Then I'll drag this up a little bit. So the next thing we're going to do is to write out our date, time, and venue. So I just Ctrl V, it's okay. The font size is too big. Let's use 11. 11, change it to black because the background is already white. The background is already white, so we'll change it to black. Change it to black. So the next thing I'm going to do now is this. So I'm going to do, I'll just break it into 20. Let me zoom out so that we can see it very well. So I'll press T on my keyboard and break it here. Then I'll select them. I'll just add auto to it. Then I'll change everything to all cap, like so. So I'll remove it from bold. I want it to be very, very bold. So let me reduce the spacing in between here. This one is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll drag this, I'll just create a shape around the top. Then I'll duplicate that shape. So to make it align, just select these three shapes. These three shapes. It's already aligned. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll draw a bigger box, or I can just duplicate this box here. Duplicate the box, then reduce it, then make it fit. So I'll go to my words, copy the time, go back to my Photoshop, duplicate, then T, select all, then paste. I'll break the text apart. Then just take it up. Yeah. So that's it. It's not hard. So I'll increase this one. I'll increase this. Yes. So I'll reduce. I'll change the style to either medium. Yes. I can just reduce it still. Yeah, now increase the spacing. Then I'll select all the reduce the spacing in between. Yeah. So the next thing, I'll just select the both there. I'll align it to the center and everything. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll select this or duplicate. Then that's the next thing is the address or the venue of the program. So Ctrl T, Ctrl A, V. Then I'll break it from me. It's okay. Then I'll reduce it. Now I'll reduce it like this. Select. I'll change this because it's not the main name, so I'll just use semi-bold. Yeah, then I'll just reduce the font size to 8. Or let me just use it manually. But 8.5 should be okay. Or 9 safe. Let's try 9. Just want it to be aligned. Yeah, 9 is perfect. So then I can just shift it up a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do, I just select everything, Ctrl G, and group it. I'll change dates and time. I'll rename it to date and time. Then I'll increase it. So now you can leave it outside if you have the pastor picture, any picture you want to put. But since I'm not putting pastor picture, I just take it to the middle, so I can just increase it as good as I want. So that's it. That's it. It's not hard. It's something we all can do. So the next thing I'm going to do, I just align so that I can align it to the center. So it's at the center. So the next thing I'm doing here is the last picture, which is the Samuel Martin. I just drag it inside, close it. I'll reduce it. This is where I want it to stay. But okay, then change the blending mode to soft light. Yeah, soft light, you can see. Well, you can see the sharp edges. So what I'm now going to do, I'll add layer max. Add vector max. Then press B on my distance. Just want to brush over it. Let me increase my brush. So I'll just brush over it like this. Brush over it. Just brush over it. So just see. I just brush over it. Brush over this place too. So I'll take it down because it's still part of our background. So I'll take it to the background. So guys, the last but not the least is how to color grade it. Let me add some effect. How do I do that? I'll press Ctrl Shift Alt E. So I'll already export it. So I'll go to my camera raw. Then I just try and work. If you press auto, see how it look like. So if you don't want that, you can just try and work on it. Do any touches you just want to do. That then color grading. Let me use color grading. They just decide to color grade it to what you want. I'm gonna highlight. Want something sharp. Yeah. And then the last but not the least, I'll add small grain. So I want the noisy part of it. And okay, see before, see after. That's how you just need to work on it. So thanks guys for staying to the end. I love you guys. See you in the next tutorial.